Despite the wild event that has happened earlier, we will not let this laboratory go to waste. We'll still use it. What was that noise? Ugh, that weirdo! What seems to be the problem, Peppino? There is a stupid weirdo outside of my pizzeria. Can you guys remove him, please? I've tried to remove him, but it was no use. Alright, Peppino, we will. Please, sir, would you leave Peppino alone? Are you somehow related to the noise? You look a lot like him. Only your body's more weird looking and your mouth is super uncanny. My name is Fake Noise. I love carrots. Can you at least not annoy Peppino, though? You might end up getting pile drived otherwise. Oh, he already did that to me.